What's up, Matt from Urchfab. It's going to be part 38, I think, on the Mongrel. So thanks for all the comments after the last video where I was moaning about the endless rust repairs. I think my favourite one of all of them was someone put, "Stop whinging, some people have no feet." And that was what I needed, really. I think sometimes you just need someone to give you a slap and tell you to get on with it. But when you work on your own and you're in the depths of rust-related depression, then there's no one there to give you a slap. So in the future, if I start whinging and moaning, just comment the word slap and I'll sort it out. I know there's people watching this that have got real problems to deal with, so I will try not to get my violin out in this episode. Nice easy one today. I don't really have long to work on this because I'm kind of in the middle of something else, but I'm just going to get this tub installed here, spot welding around the outside, clean all this up, a little bit of a repair to do there, connect these bits, and that is probably all I'm going to manage today. Got that cleaned up. I've been trying out a few different types of discs for cleaning. If you want something that's going to take the paint off without digging into the metal too much. So I like these things, but they kind of just fall apart pretty quick. These are a little bit softer and give you a really nice finish, but they fall apart really quick as well. But yeah, I don't know what primer is used, but it definitely sticks well. I think I'll probably put this on the outside edge and then push this up to meet the edge at the back, and then it'll look nicer from the inside, I think, then. Alright, so what I want to do now is trim this inner piece so I know I've got the exact same sort of width all the way across so that it will fit tight from the inside. I want to try and tip this edge over a little bit, just so that it will follow that line on the inside, otherwise I'm going to have a little bit of a gap, I think. I don't really have any tools for doing that, so I'm just going to try and do it with a hammer and dolly. I might shrink it a little bit around the edge and then just hammer and dolly it round just to try and break that edge over a little bit. Just try and get it to follow the tub a bit there. So I just rolled that edge over. Don't know if you can actually see it or not. But if I had the right dies for my bead roller, I could have done that in about 20 seconds, but I don't, so I didn't. I'm going to weld these little holes up while I can get to the back of them. I'm out of wire, man. Have you seen this stuff? Right, my spot welder's just packed up. I've noticed it been getting a bit tired lately, like you have to really hold the switch on to get it to actually weld, where it should be quite a quick process. And now it's just like these last few just pinged open. So there's no point doing anything else with that. Can go in the bin. RIP the spot welder. That one in particular is absolute dog anyway. I have had people ask about it, and I would never recommend anyone to buy it. I'll put a link in the description of what I will buy next. You want one with a timer on it, and the better ones, the clamping mechanism is better. You can adjust the force it actually puts on the electrodes, and then you set the timer to whatever thickness the material is, and you know you're going to get a good weld. But that thing was like the cheapest of the cheap, and yeah, you get what you pay for. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. from this thing for a while now. Just need to do something different for a bit. So I know there's been a few of you asking when I'm going to do something with the Mark II Escort over there. I'm going to make a custom inlet manifold or inlet plenum. So it'll be like a nice chunk of aluminium fabrication work, and then it needs a full exhaust system from the turbo all the way out the back. I've got all the silencers, and then I've just got straight tube, box of bends. So I'm going to do that just to mix it up a bit. So, you know, lots of alley TIG work on the inlet plenum, and then I'll TIG weld all the exhaust system, stainless TIG, the exhaust system. And I've got some other little jobs on which need doing, which I've been putting off. There's like jobs in the workshop that need doing. I've got to finish boarding out that room at the back. I've got some work to do on the actual main door. I've got to replace some tread plate on a stairwell. So I'll probably film that, and then I'm also doing a load of little like promotional videos for Inverter Fusion, which is the my local welding shop. So I've had like all of their machines and been going through and just doing like little demo pieces. So it's just standard aluminium TIG, stainless pulse TIG. Have a guess what these are. Got your guesses in? That's a stick weld. Stainless 316 rods. So I was testing out their sort of like flagship stick welder. This is pulsed MIG with the welder that I use pretty much every day. That's pulsed aluminium with the machine I use every day. Doesn't look the best, but it's pretty much quicker than TIG welding if you were building a trailer or something like that out of aluminium. And then that's just standard short circuit MIG. So yeah, still a few more things to do yet, but it's just going to be loads of quick little clips, and it's just going to be some little short videos for them to put on their website to show their different ranges of welders that they do. So my goal with the Mongrel was I wanted all the welding done, all the like rust repair welding, all the sheet metal done by the end of January, which I could achieve if I went non-stop from now until then. I could do that, but I've just got other stuff going on that needs doing, and I like to set deadlines for things, but I think I'm going to push this deadline back a little bit and just mix it up a bit. I think it'll just make my content better because there'll be a bit more variety going on, and you know, when I do come back to doing this, I'll be a bit more enthusiastic about it, because I had started kind of rushing it and, you know, not really taking the care that I was when I started. So yeah, that's the plan anyway for the next few weeks. So I'm going to be making some more of these as well. Plan is to just make a load of stock of them. I'm going to give this one away on my Patreon page, so if you want a chance to win that, I'll polish it all up nice. Anyone who's signed up to my Patreon, you know, will get the chance to win this, and I'll just do like a automated draw and pick someone from on there. I gave one of these away last month on there as well. And you can cancel at any time, so you could just do $1, try your luck for a month and then cancel it if you want. Other than that, I think that's about it. So that's all I got for this one. Cheers for watching. I'll see you on the next one.